Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you the top 5 ways to use ChatGPT for your side hustle. This guide will provide you with practical, easy to follow strategies to help streamline your hustle and maximize productivity with the power of ChatGPT, also AI. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. Now let's dive into content creation, which is often a major part of side hustles. Whether you're managing a blog, social media account, or even producing digital products, creating fresh, engaging content regularly can be tough. But ChatGPT can make this process so much easier. Now, let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate content ideas for a, let's say, fitness blog. Now, down here in the input box, here's an example of a simple prompt you can use. Right here. See? Right here, list of 10. For instance, I'm asking ChatGPT for 10 blog post ideas. So, as you can see, the prompt is simple but specific. Now, let's see what kind of ideas ChatGPT comes up with for us. So let's send this over. So this process is quick and can save you tons of brainstorming time. And here it is. As you can see, here are the following blog post ideas that ChatGPT had recommended right here. And yeah, just wait until, because for me, I feel like this is already complete with the generation of the results. So great, look at that. A list of fresh, unique blog post ideas that is tailored to our niche. So you can take these ideas and build out full articles, video scripts, or even social media content around them. So remember, you can refine these ideas even further if you needed by asking ChatGPT to add details or adjust for a particular tone or style. So here it is. One of the most time consuming aspects of running a side hustle can be handling customer service. Repetitive questions, refund requests, and other common inquiries can take up valuable hours of your day. Luckily, ChatGPT can step in and help automate responses, allowing you to maintain excellent customer service without spending all of your time replying to messages. Now, let me show you how you can create a response template using ChatGPT for a common situation, handling a refund request due to a delayed shipment, for example. Now, here's the prompt that I put together right here. So, just as I stated earlier, and now let's see what response it generates. And here it is. There's the subject. There's the message overall. This is the name of business days. You should edit on that. There's the name, company name. And yeah, here we go. As you can see, ChatGPT has drafted a polite and professional response template right here. Let's see, let me highlight that. All of that ChatGPT had generated here. Very polite and professional, and that you can easily customize and send. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you're providing a consistent level of customer service. Pretty helpful, huh? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. One of the keys to a successful side hustle is staying on top of market trends. But let's face it, researching trends, analyzing competitors, and making sense of it all can be overwhelming and time consuming. This is where ChatGPT can really shine. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use ChatGPT for market research by asking it down here in the input box for a prompt, asking it to analyze the latest e-commerce trends and how a small online store can capitalize on them. So here are all that is the details that are crafted together in this prompt. As you can see, now let's see what insights it comes up with. Here it is. Here's how ChatGPT had generated. Here are the latest trends. One of them, let's see, personalization and AI-driven recommendations. There's another one right here, augmented reality, AR for virtual try-ons. Okay, and see, look at that. Overall, ChatGPT has given us a clear summary of the latest e-commerce trends and specific ideas on how a small business can benefit from them. You can take these insights and immediately apply them to your own strategy. So, whether it's improving your product lineup or adjusting your marketing efforts. Financial planning is crucial for keeping your side hustle profitable and sustainable in the long run. Whether you're aiming to save a certain amount or manage your monthly expenses, having a solid budget plan can make all the difference. Luckily, ChatGPT can simplify this process by helping you create a detailed budget based on your goals. Now let me show you how to ask ChatGPT down here in the input box where you can paste down here your prompt. So for instance, I would ask to generate a budget plan for a freelance graphic designer who wants to save $5,000 in the next 6 months. Right here. So let's see how this structures the budget from ChatGPT. Here we go. Now, here's what ChatGPT had generated. Here, 1, determine monthly savings goals. 2, estimate monthly income. 3, break down expenses. And here's an example right here with the table provided, cutting costs, track and adjust, supplement income, and yep, perfect. See, let's scroll up again. And as you can see, ChatGPT has laid out a simple yet effective budget plan that breaks down expenses and savings goals over 6 months. This makes it easy to track your progress and adjust as needed. With a plan like this, managing your side hustle's finances becomes much less stressful and more predictable. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools for engaging your customers and driving sales, especially for side hustlers. But crafting the perfect email, one that grabs attention, provides value, and encourages action, that can take a lot of time. And that's where ChatGPT can step in. Now let me show you how it works by asking ChatGPT down here in the prompt input box. And here's what I crafted together. So let's say I would ask ChatGPT to write a promotional email for a new product launch that could target returning or existing customers, let's say from online clothing store. Now, let's see how it drafts the email. Let's go. And so here is how ChatGPT would process the email. So it starts off with the subject, then it says a greeting like dear, customer name. Here's an offer right here, 15% off, exclusive designs, free shipping on all orders over 50. That could convince that specific customer that is sent over to them. And there's link if ever that certain customer would be interested to shop, and best regards. And yeah, there you go. As you'll see, ChatGPT has created a well-structured promotional email, complete with a catchy subject line, just as I've shown you right here, introducing our new collection just for you. Then persuasive body text, which is this one right here. Here we go. And then there's the call to action down here. And then there's a greeting. And yeah, that's it. You can take this template and tweak it to match your brand's voice or add any additional details. Right here, just as it's labeled here, link, right here, customer name, and yeah, pretty cool, huh? And that wraps up the top 5 ways to use ChatGPT for your side hustle. As you can see, from content creation to budgeting, this tool can really help streamline your workflow and save your time.